The Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Program is organized under the philosophy of responsible and high performance, specializing in aircraft maintenance, with instruction based on international standards, both EASA and FAA. The commitment of Faculty of Railway Systems and Transportation needs to be recognized as creating standout graduates in agreement with the development guidelines of the Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research, and Innovation. These include good education, happiness, income under the rail, aircraft, and transportation ecosystem. We look forward to being a part of building the world of the future, as our vision is to build and develop high-performance rail and transport workforce for sustainable national development.